Hello buddy, today we will be working on the Ford Mustang, and my engine code through a map sensor fault, and I'm going to show you how to clean the map sensor on a V6 2005 to 2012 Ford 4.0 Ford Mustang. The map sensor, first of all, is right here, and it has some T torque specs right there and there. You want to move this red thing up to get the clip out. It just slides up and then it should wiggle out. There it goes, wiggled out just like that. And then you want to get your torque specs, and let me find out what size they are. Alright, so the torque spec sizes are a T20. You just want to go ahead and take those off. It doesn't hurt to put electrical cleaner inside that the end right here. Helps clean it. Maybe put some dielectric grease in that. But I got the map sensor right here. We're going to try cleaning it first rather than replacing it, because they're like $30, $40 from AutoZone. And you just want to go ahead and spray your electrical cleaner through there, and I think that's the only hole in through there, just to get it clean, because it is in the air box where it cycles in all the outside air into your engine. And you just want to make sure it's clean and ready to go, and we're going to go ahead and spray it. And with that, you just put your T20 torque specs back in there. Make sure you push down this red connector clip right there, and you're all set to go. Easy fix, save your money, do it yourself. Have a great day, bye for now.